right, so we are going to review how to do US traditional multiplication. And in this problem, we're working with a 3-digit number and then multiplying by a 1-digit number down here. So basically the idea with this is we are going to be taking our single-digit number, this 4, and we're going to be multiplying it with all of the places in 378. So the 300, 70, and the 8. Now, just like with addition and subtraction, we are going to be moving kind of backwards. So we're going to be moving from the right, the lowest digit, this way. So the first step we're going to do is we're going to take 4 times 8. 4 times 8 is 32. So with the number 32, I'm going to take the digit in the ones place, which is the 2, and that's what I'm going to put down here. And the 3, the digit in the tens place, I'm going to carry. So just like in addition, when you carry numbers, you're going to be doing the same thing with multiplication. Now, since I've already multiplied the 4 with the 8, I'm going to turn to the 4 and the 7. So 4 times 7 is 28. Now I'm going to add on to that 28 3 more. So 28 plus 3 more is 31. Just like I did before with 31, the 1 digit in the ones place is going to go down here, and then the digit in the tens place, that 3, is going to be carried. Now we're getting to that last step. So now I've multiplied the 4 with the 8, I've multiplied the 4 with the 7, now I have to multiply the 4 with the 3. 4 times 3 is 12, and I'm going to be taking, so 12, add 3 more onto that, so 12 plus 3 more is 15. I take the 5, the digit in the ones place, bring it down. Now, when I go to bring the 1 over, I notice that there are no more digits for me to carry that onto. So because of that, the 1 comes down and it gets dropped right here and becomes the first number in our answer. So the answer to 378 times 4 is 1,512. Hopefully this was able to help you. Thanks.